Hey there, Dr. Cutter with the Chainsaw Hospital. We finally moved into the hospital now, and so what I'm going to do today is give you guys a quick tour of the Chainsaw Hospital. So come on in, let's check it out. So I've got a double door on here, and I went ahead and put everything in here. And this isn't quite done, but it's pretty good. So there's that table I was telling you about that's on wheels, and I finally got that in here. This is the baker's rack I was telling you about, where we're going to have our patients in the morgue before we revive them. And so yeah, along this wall I've just got a couple of trimmers kind of put up there and a pole saw pole. And so over here along this wall there's some vintage Homelite bars, and these are brand new in the box bars. So anyways, that's pretty neat. Those were donated to the channel. Thank you, Robert. Here's some little place I can store chains, and you can see I've got the bars of the different types, bar mounts, kind of located along this wall here. And here's the shelves, how the shelves turned out. Shelves turned out really nice. I love them, and I went ahead and got all these saws. Some of these are projects, some of these are not. Some of these run and don't need anything at all, and but we'll get to those. And then down here is the parts department, some old stuff that either needs repairing or completely repairing that aren't complete and things. There's the mill down there. So there's the solar system. Got the battery hooked up with a couple of inverters, and there's the charge controller, some parts, irrigation there, so if we need to irrigate a wound we can. There's some of that. And here on the operating table, this is where it happens right here. I've just got these surgical drapes here, and then I've got a surgical pack of tools right here. So I'm getting ready to do a surgery, and so I was just getting prepared for that. So got this surgery light here with the magnifying glass, and that has a, see that there, so that's kind of nice. I can pull that over and get that out of the way. And then you can see back here, before we came in, I've got some trimmers kind of in the ceiling there. Kind of was the best way I could figure to store them, at least all these little guys like that. And then the big ones with the brush handles, I'll make a different rack to hang them off of. I just haven't made that yet. So, and over here is going to be where the sharpening station is going to be set up, in the chain station. So you can see I've got my grinders here right now, and the chain breaker and mender, and this is going to have a little bench grinder on it, and a drill press, and possibly some other things, so I can pull the table out and rotate it around to what side I'm working with, and that way I can roll it if I've got some grinding to do. I don't want to keep the operating table clean. I can roll it out to the doors here, and have that dust go outside. So there you go, guys. There's a quick tour of the hospital. Yeah, this is it. So we're moved in, and all the operations are going to be done here now, and super excited to be out here. And a quick shout out to Mr. Cadence for allowing us to use the workbench that he had there for a while. So thank you to all of the people that have donated things and time and material to the Chainsaw Hospital. I've got a lot of close friends that are really helping us out and helping you guys out too. So a quick shout out to them. Thank you, thank you. But yeah, everything's going to be here now. So that's about it, guys, and that's just what the doctor ordered.